As I stand here today, pledging my love for you, I remember the day we first met for our first date. Neither of us knew at that time that both of us would be standing at the altar 2.5 years later, unifying our marriage. You're smart, caring, kind, thoughtful, compassionate, and the best human being I've ever met. You've helped me become a better person ever since you've been a part of my life. I've learned so much more about how the world works, how to treat people, and how to support those who need it because of you. You bring out the best in me, and I want to be teammates for life. I'm extremely grateful and excited to take this next step in life together and unifying our relationship as husband and wife.
I still remember the nerves I felt before our very first date, and I still feel those butterflies again today. But you don't have to worry, because this time there isn't a friend of mine waiting with the getaway car. I knew that from that first date things were going well, and I had hoped that I might have met my future husband. I thank God for that first date. Today, a little over 2 years later, I stand here ready to share my life and my future with you until the day that I die.
Oh my God, you're beautiful. You look gorgeous.
You like it?
Yeah, I love it. Also, just a heads up, these shoes have no traction and I almost fell 3 times already.
Let's do it.
We're gonna have to see that.
I'd have to laugh at you a little bit.
Yeah, it'll be embarrassing. We'll probably break a bone, but whatever. It's worth it.
Hello?
Shit.
You're
beautiful. Wow.
You like it?
Guy from head to toe, you're gorgeous.
Thank you for doing this.
Oh my God, thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. I love you so much. I promise to always love you and support you. I promise to always have your back and be on your side. And I promise to put you first and be there through the good and the bad times with you. And I put a quote of an author I definitely know because I read a lot. Love is passion, obsession, someone you can't live without. Love, Cains.
Alec, I vow to you today that I will always love you. You and our family we create will always be my top priority. I will choose you in everything that I do, and I will choose this love and this marriage over and over. I vow to be by your side no matter the circumstances life throws at us, and I will always have your back. Alec Cains, my vows and my love for you today will withstand this lifetime. I love you with everything I have, and will prove that by joining ourselves together today in marriage as Mr. and Mrs. Cains. You have all of me now and for life, and I wouldn't want to join me with anybody else.
By the power vested in me, I now pronounce you husband and wife.
Alec, you make it super right.
Now introducing for the very first time, Mr. and Mrs. Alec and Megan Cains.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, for the first time as a married couple, put your hands together for Mr. and Mrs. Alec and Megan Cains!
I just wanted to take a second and thank everyone for coming today. It really means a lot for Megan and I to have everyone here, as well as thank you to my lovely wife, Megan.
You have a glass, let's go ahead and raise it to a good night. So, cheers everybody, thank you for
Cheers, Megan.
All this time, I was praying and waiting for this life and this love with you. One of my favorite songs about love that I've chosen to walk down the aisle to meet you at the altar today says, I once believed that love would be black and white, but it's golden. This life with you is golden and glowing with all the love I have hoped for my entire life. I have faith in us that together we will always stay golden and find light even in our darkest hours. You have shown me what hope, love, and commitment feels like. I am so thankful this life is for me and you. You are the one I want by my side through every joyful moment and even in moments of darkness.
Many of my best memories in life include you and the great times we've had. Your view on life and values motivate me to be the best person I can and the best husband I can be. You're the most special person I've ever met, and sometimes I have to pinch myself because I'm lucky enough not only to be friends with someone as special as you, but to be the one marrying you. I can't wait for our story to continue and to grow in our journey through life together. I love you so much and I'm so proud to have the privilege of calling you my wife.